So way back in 2009, I came home for a holiday after school. Like I was doing a boarding school, and there was a race happening down the road on the paddy field. And I had just gotten a bike for my birthday around that time, so I went and raced that race in the beginners class, and I got last. And yeah, but after that I really knew that I really liked it, so I continued doing it for the next years up until now.
Racing was just before was like a game. I started to ride with my parents, with my father. My first bike was with 3-4 years old. Then my first race with 8 years old, and from there I was growing up like a rider, improving my skills, and then always playing. But then arrived one point that you have to decide if you continue like a play, like a game, or you move like a professional rider or try to be a professional rider.
I started to ride when I was 3 years old. That's a long time ago. I have one uncle, really famous in France. He's the first French rider to win one GP on motocross. So all my family ride. So I started to ride really young, but I make my first race at 4. So really quickly. But in the beginning was really for fun. And I started to be professional, and when I was 13 years old, I win my first French title. And after that, I make some years in motocross, and after I passed to enduro, and now I am in rally.